do is get off exit 30.
Now, Alan Seals with First Alert Weather.
While we've been dealing with the simmer of summer, it's been snowing in Colorado. It's springtime still, and you can tell you've got spring storms in the Central Plains from Oklahoma back to Texas. Severe thunderstorms. About a dozen reports today of tornadoes, ordinary tornadoes, but lots of reports of hail and high wind in the high plains. Now, that whole weather system will gradually slide toward us. It's not going to be very strong when it gets here, but it will give us our first chance for rain on Friday. We need many chances of rain. Here's where we are for the year. Mobile, 12 inches of rain. Pensacola, 15 inches. But look at what's missing. Missing 12 inches in Mobile. So a 50% deficit. Pensacola is running about a 30% deficit. And it's not just really this year. If you go back 12 months, and this graph actually goes backward, go back to last spring, we are running about 20 inches below average. So still about a 30% deficit for our region. Finally this weekend, some rain chances. But at most, we're still talking a quarter inch, a half inch. But we'll take it. We'll take whatever we can get. Not tomorrow, though. No rain, just more heat. We start off mild, about 69 degrees at 6 a.m. As you step out, there will be the usual areas of patchy fog, so be prepared for a little low visibility in spots. By noontime, though, 86 degrees, 87 by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and our inland communities are on the way up, close to 90 again. Here's what we have right now. In Evergreen, 73 degrees, Crestview, 71, Gulf Shores at 75, so no big difference across the region. A little bit cooler at Trent Lott Airport in Pascagoula in the upper 60s. And I showed you last night how the jet stream's taking a big dip in the pretty much right along the Rockies. That's why the cool air produced snow in Colorado. It goes north in the high plains, letting all the heat head toward the Great Lakes. And right in between, that's where you get your active weather, severe weather. I also showed you yesterday what's off the northeast coast, a big region of low pressure. But watch what's really interesting. There's the main spiral, and then another spiral, and then a third one. And when you look at this, it looks exactly like what happens in the eye of a hurricane. It's exactly what happens with tornadoes. It's never just one perfect circle. It's a bunch of little things spinning around each other in one spot. So just kind of interesting to see that out in the Atlantic, where it bothers nobody except for a few transatlantic ships. Here's what you've got for your travel weather tomorrow. Looks good. Nothing to hamper your scamper. More sunshine, clouds to the west, and then finally Friday. Here come the showers, scattered showers in the afternoon. A 40% chance of thunderstorms too, and that will kind of go off and on Friday night, early Saturday. It should taper midday Saturday, and then we'll get some more on Sunday. So finally back to a more typical pattern where we can get rid of these temperatures that have been approaching 90 and get back to more like mid-80s and lower 80s. For the rest of tonight, clear early, patchy fog late. Most of us stay in the upper 60s, lower 60s along Highway 84. 90 tomorrow, 83 Friday, 82 Saturday. There are your rain chances, 40, 30%, not bad. Even on Sunday and Monday, a small chance of a few showers, and that'll leave us in the soothing 70s by Tuesday.
Can't wait for that. It's time now for sports, and here's Mr. Randy Patrick. All right.